Hello. Steve, good to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you, Steve. I heard you're the best.
All right, let's see. Hopefully, so what happened to your key?
My dog ate it.
Oh no, the customer's chip broke off that blade. We're gonna make her a new remote key so she can get back on the road. All right, we're gonna generate this chip. We have it generated to the 83 right now, so we're gonna need the 63 40-bit. All right, let's give it a shot again.
Oh, you said.
All right. Yep. And we got it.
My key now?
Yes.
Oh, good.
It's got our number right here on the back too.
Man.
You want to get a second key or just one? Okay. All right. Yeah. Give me a few minutes. All right. You're all set. You got two working keys. All right. So the total after tax be 303.